Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to fix a blurry camera or telephoto not focusing on an Honor 600 Pro. First, make sure your camera lenses are clean, so grab your phone, a microfiber cloth, and wipe it down. Then, open your camera up and focus on the subject by tapping the screen. If it's still blurry, go into Settings, then to Apps, Manage Apps, and search up your camera. Then Storage and Clear Cache. If needed, you can also restart your phone by swiping down, pressing the power button, and restart. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.